Hello to our online students from Denver. My name is Nancy Ferranti. I am the Program Chair of the Medical Billing and Coding Department at Northwest Career College. The Medical Billing and Coding online program at Northwest means our students complete their coursework at home on their schedule and attend their lab sessions virtually once a week. Our online lab sessions allow our seasoned instructors to engage virtually with our students through every step of the revenue cycle process. Our online program utilizes digital textbooks and interactive software that walks our students through medical terminology, diagnostic and procedural coding, and commercial and private insurance carriers. We've also incorporated Collaborate MD software into our program, CMD as we call it. This interactive medical billing software is used in many practices around the country. This hands-on experience enforces the importance of proper medical claim form submission, ensuring a provider is always paid on time. Our students are then placed with one of our externship affiliates, where they complete 180 hours of externship. This valuable extension of the classroom experience gives them the skills they can only obtain out in the field. With ever-changing technology, medical billers and coders are always in high demand. I appreciate your interest in the online medical billing and coding program. We hope you'll join us on your journey to becoming a medical biller and coder.